Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you think.
Hi my loves, how are ya? Today I'll show you how to make this elegant braided bun. So let's get started with making a side parting on the side we like, and we'll make it all the way down like I'm showing here, clipping this section with less hair away for later. And with another section we want to grab a small tiny piece from the front, divide it into 3 and begin a simple 3-strand Dutch braid. Basically you cross side strands under the middle one, and then before crossing you want to add more hair from the scalp. Make sure as you are adding hair to smooth out your section and braid until you have no more hair to add. At this point you want to finish with a simple 3-strand braid, but make sure to tug on the edge of the braid to make it full and voluminous looking. When you are reaching the ends, make sure to tie the ends, but on last time make sure to pull your hair all halfway through so there are no ends sticking out. Also, if you have any hair that doesn't look nice, you want to pin it under the braid like I'm showing using some bobby pins, and you want to repeat on other side as well, and you want to repeat on other side this braid. Now you want to grab a thicker braid and roll it, creating a flower like I'm showing here, and pin it in place. Then you want to grab our second braid and wrap it around created flower already, hide the ends and pin it in place as well. You can use some hairspray to fix it, and you're done. Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this elegant looking braided bun. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified 3 times a week when I post a new hair tutorial. Also, if you have any requests or suggestions, you can leave them in comments down below. Love you guys so much. See you soon in my next video. Bye!
When you're next to me.